Morning, dear students. Welcome back to our class. So, last class we started a new story, a burger story. Okay, so let us continue the story. So, before that, I'll revise it once again, revise the story once again. So, all of you take your textbook, take page number 54, English reader, page number 54. So let us continue the burger's story. So this is the story of a burger who lives in a restaurant. Okay, restaurant. What is a restaurant? Restaurant is a place where we can have food. Okay, so every morning this burger wakes up in the restaurant and waits for her what turn to be cooked and served to the customers. Okay, who are customers? Customers are people who buy things from a shop. Okay, so this burger was very happy that children called her delicious. Delicious means very tasty. Burger was proud that children like her very much. You know why it is so delicious? Because of the fillings inside the burger. Fillings inside the burger. So like cheese slice, sausages, tomato sauce, potato patties, etc. Okay, so this burger wakes up every morning and waits her turn to be cooked and served to the customers. And when the customers have their last bite, she goes off to sleep. And again next morning she wakes up and waits her turn to be cooked by the chef and served to the customers. And one day, you know what happened? A customer called her junk food. A customer called her junk food. You all know what is a junk food. Junk food makes children unhealthy, fat, no nutritional value, nothing. So a customer called this burger junk food. She was so angry. This burger, when she was surprised to hear a customer called her junk food. And again she heard what people call her and her sisters as junk food on radio and television. So she was very sad because earlier she thought she was making children happy. But now she realized that she makes children fat and unhealthy. This made her sad. So Burger and her sisters were very sad. But after some time, after some time she understood. Soon she understood why people called her junk food. She understood that eating children became unhealthy after eating burgers. So some children like it very much. So every day they eat burger. Because of that, these children became unhealthy and fat. So that is why people call her junk food. So So shall we start today's class? So she felt very bad. So it is all my fault, she said and wept bitterly. Then she had an idea to get rid of that terrible name. So she felt very bad. Why? Because she understood that after eating burger, the children became unhealthy. So she felt very bad when she understood this. So it is all my fault. So she realized that All these are her fault, her mistake. Because of her, children became ill, children become unhealthy, children become fat. So it's all my fault. So she admitted her mistake. Because of her, all these problems occurred in children. So she said and wept bitterly. Wept means she cried. Bitterly means in a very bad manner. She cried a lot. So she cried a lot. So she had an idea to get rid of that terrible name. What is a terrible name mentioned here? Junk food. Terrible means very bad name. Okay, junk food. So she wanted to get rid of that terrible name. Get rid of means what? Throw away that bad name. എങ്ങനെയെങ്കിലും ആ ബാഡ് നെയിം കളയണം എന്ന് വിചാരിച്ചു. Okay, so she decided to get rid of that terrible, that bad name. That day, she was in front of a child who came to the restaurant every day. The child had a bite of the burger and said, "This burger tastes funny. In fact, it has no taste at all." One day what happened? A child, who came to the restaurant. That day a child came to the restaurant. He comes every day for eating burger. He likes burger very much. So he comes every day to eat burger. So this child, after biting the burger, said, "The burger tastes funny." Burger tastes funny. So what did the child said? This burger tastes funny. So taste funny means what it's taste like there is something wrong with them. So funny can mean bad, wrong, etc. So for the child, he after biting this burger, he sensed a foul, a funny taste. After eating this burger, he felt a funny taste. The child had a bite of the burger and said, "This burger tastes funny. In fact, it has no taste at all." So the child again said that the burger has no taste at all. It has a funny taste. Has no taste at all. That was her perfect plan. She and her burger sisters decided to become tasteless to the children who had burgers regularly. Only those who had burgers rarely found them tasty. So that was their plan, a perfect plan. She got a very good plan. So from that day onwards, she and her sisters decided to become tasteless to those who those children who eat burger regularly. So that was their perfect, good plan. That is, those who came to the restaurant for eating burger every day. So those children, the burger taste is very less, no taste at all, tasteless. It seems tasteless. Okay, so from that day onwards, Burger and her sisters decided to become tasteless to those who were those children who eat burger regularly. എല്ലാ ദിവസവും കഴിക്കുന്ന കുട്ടികൾക്ക് എന്താണ് അതിനൊരു ടേസ്റ്റും ഇല്ലാത്ത പോലൊരു ഫീലിംഗ് വരാനായിട്ട് തുടങ്ങി. So that was their plan. So if we eat the same thing for many days, same food item for many days, we also it becomes tasteless for us also. Okay, so the child who was eating burger for many days, this child who has been eating burger for many days, so that is why it becomes tasteless. Soon there were less unhealthy children, and only those who had burgers rarely found them tasty. Rarely means not many times, not often. വല്ലപ്പോഴും കഴിക്കുന്നവർ, rarely eating, not many times. So only those who had burgers, burgers rarely found them tasty. That is their perfect plan. Soon there were less unhealthy children in the restaurant. Many of their old friends started looking much better. The little burger was now a happy burger. So because of this plan, there were less unhealthy children in the restaurant. Because now they eat burger rarely. വല്ലപ്പോഴുമേ കഴിക്കുള്ളൂ. Eat burger rarely. So many children became much better. Much better in their health. They became much better in their health. So because of this, the little burger was also very happy. She was also very much happy. So that was their idea, a perfect plan made by the burger and her sisters. What was their plan? The children who had burgers regularly feels this burger tasteless, and the children who had burgers rarely found them tasty. Okay, so the children became healthy and started looking much better. So there were less unhealthy children in the restaurant because of this plan. And when the children became healthy and looking much better, the little burger was also happy, very much happy. Okay, that is this story about burger. Okay, hope all of you understood this story. Then I'll give you some new words. Last class also I gave some new words. Hope all of you have written those words in your notebook. Okay, it's continuation. Bitterly, bitterly, bitterly. Then terrible, terrible, terrible. Funny, funny, funny. Then perfect, perfect, perfect. Then regularly, regularly, regularly. Then rarely, rarely, rarely. So write all these words in your notebook 5 times each. Okay. Then meanings. Delicious. Okay, delicious means DEL ഉണ്ട് ഇവിടെ DEL ആണ്. So delicious means very tasty. Bitterly means in a very sad way. Bitterly means in a very sad way. Then terrible means very bad. Perfect means very good. Regularly means every day. Then rarely means not many times. So write these new words in your notebook. Then comprehension questions. Tick the correct option to complete each sentence. The children call the burger. So correct answer is yummy, delicious, tasty, fresh. Answer is the children call the burger delicious. Then a customer called the burger tasteless food, tasty food, junk food, healthy food. What is the answer? Junk food. Then after eating burgers, children became unhealthy, healthy, strong, tall. After eating burgers, children became unhealthy. Then the burgers became tasteless for children who came at night, sometimes, rarely, regularly. Regularly is the correct answer. Okay, mark it in your textbook. No need to write it in your notebook. Okay, then answer these questions. How did the burger feel after the final bite? So the burger, how did the burger feel after the final bite by the customer? The burger felt like she had fallen asleep. She had fallen asleep. Then why was the burger angry? because a customer called her what? Junk food. A customer called her junk food. Then what made the burger sad? Everyone called her and her sisters junk food. So that is why the burger was very, she was sad because everyone called her and her sisters junk food. Then what was the burger's perfect plan? To become tasteless to children who eat burger regularly. എല്ലാ ദിവസവും കഴിക്കുന്ന കുട്ടികൾക്ക് ടേസ്റ്റ്ലെസ് ആയിട്ട് തോന്നുക. To become tasteless to children who ate burger regularly. Then what happened when the plan worked? The children started looking better and healthy. So when they worked out this plan, the children became better and looking better and healthy. So write all these question answers in your notebook. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.